Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here's a little walkthrough on today's daily design. So we first start off with creating our file. I'll go with 1080 by 1440, which is a 3/4 ratio. And then we're gonna just click on here, timeline, and create video timeline. We're gonna import a video. Yes, you heard me right, a video into Photoshop. This is the one I'm going with. I'll resize it, then shorten it to about 10 seconds. This was way too long, 50 seconds. 10 is a good timestamp. I'll stretch out my background, and then it's time to write our text. I'll go with a simple sans serif, pretty bold font, but I might change my mind later in the final version. We never know. Anyways, I'll make the text white, and then I'll go ahead and write my little quote of the day. Which is, look at how far you've come. I'll align it in the center, and then I'll just add a black and white adjustment to the background. Stretch out my text all the way to the 10-second mark, and then I'll double click on my text and add a stroke to it. Now we want the position to be outside, and I'll just increase the size a little bit to get that black stroke. I'll duplicate that text copy, make it black entirely, and we're going to place that underneath our first copy, and then just move it a little downwards and to the right. We get this cool 3D effect. We're going to stretch that out to the 10-second mark as well, and then I'll select basically all my layers but our background, right click, and convert to Smart Object. Remember, when you're working with video, as long as you convert to Smart Objects and never rasterize the video, you're good to go. We're then going to go to filter gallery, and we're adding two effects, one on top of the other. One is a halftone pattern, and the other one is torn edges. We're going to deactivate the torn edges and fix up the halftone pattern. You're probably going to have different settings in these. Every image, every video requires different settings. So we're fixing the halftone pattern, then go ahead and turn on the visibility for the torn edges and fix those parameters as well. Press OK, and we've got this amazingly cool effect already. I'll then just add a gradient map on top of everything, and you can choose whichever two colors you prefer. You can also add more than two colors. I'll just go with a blue and a beige, light beige tone. I think these two colors look good together. Now let's scroll through the video, and it looks pretty cool. You can add a bunch of textures on top of that, but this is basically how I made it. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of this YouTube journey. I'm trying to post more and be more consistent with my YouTube, so definitely comment if you have any tutorial requests or suggestions or things you want to know about Photoshop or basically any Adobe platform. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.